Good morning. Guess what's coming up? 2024. I know it's like a month away. But what I want to talk about is how you start to future trip in a really good way, right? Plan how you want this next year to go. And that's my favorite, one of my most favorite events I put on in the year is called Own Your 2024. And it's all about looking at how incredible your 23 was and painful. We all had both and, right? But look at what worked well for you and then start to envision a bigger and better and more bold part of yourself coming into 2024. So I do these events, one on Zoom and one live. This year they happen to be back to back, the 29th and 30th of December. Oh my God, they're so great. I need to tell you more about it, but it's really a day to go inside. It's a day to reflect. It's not really a day to network or get to know other people. It's a day to connect with yourself and your vision and your dreams and make shit happen. I love it. I hope to see you there. Reach out to me and I'll give you a very special discount. Okay.